Shall we practice some grammar topics with ChatGPT or any AIs? If you are ready, we can do it, and I will show you how to use AI, ChatGPT or any other platforms that can communicate with you to improve your grammar skills. All right, I'm gonna use this book and one of my favorites, and I will go over tenses. And in this video, I'm gonna practice present continuous with ChatGPT. If you are ready, let's start. And I'm not gonna just cut any parts of it, so you will just see the real interaction. Today, I wanna practice present continuous with you.
Sure, let's practice the present continuous together. Would you like to start by giving me a sentence, or should I provide an example first?
I want you first to tell me how to just construct present continuous. Give me some information, some details about it, and after that, we can practice together.
Absolutely. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or around the current time. It's formed using the verb to be, am, is, are, followed by the base verb plus ing. Here's a breakdown. 1. Subject plus am plus is plus verb ing. For example, I am reading a book, she is cooking dinner, or they are playing football. Negative form. Add not after the verb to be. For example, I am not watching TV, he is not sleeping, or we are not working right now. Questions. Invert the subject and the verb to be. For example, are you reading? Is she cooking? Are they playing football? Would you like to try forming some sentences?
Yes, sure. I'm ready.
Great! Let's start with a simple one. How would you say I am studying using the present continuous?
I am studying a book right now.
Perfect! That's exactly how you'd use the present continuous. Now, how about forming a question like, is she cooking dinner?
Is she cooking a dinner now?
Exactly. That's a great question in the present continuous. Now, let's try making a negative sentence. How would you say they are not watching TV?
They are not watching TV right now.
Perfect. You're doing great. Is there any other sentence or question you'd like to try? Or do you want to practice something else?
I want you to give me the verb and I will make a sentence with that verb.
Sure. The verb is right.
Right. I am not writing anything. By the way, I'm a bit sick, that's why I'm coughing.
I'm sorry to hear you're not feeling well. I hope you get better soon. If you'd like to keep practicing, let me know and we can continue with another verb.
Yes, I'm ready. Please go on.
All right, let's try the verb read.
I am reading a grammar book right now.
Great sentence. You're doing really well with these. If you'd like to keep going, we can try another verb or we can practice something else.
Another verb.
Sure thing. Let's go with the verb eat.
I'm not eating anything right now.
Perfect. You're doing a fantastic job with these. If you'd like to continue, we can try another verb or move on to something else.
I think I'm good at this tense. What do you think?
I think you're doing great. You seem to have a solid understanding of the present continuous tense. If there's anything else you'd like to practice or any other questions you have, just let me know.
Thank you. You were really helpful.
You're very welcome. I'm always here to help. If you need anything else, just let me know. Take care and feel better soon.
Thank you. See you.
Goodbye. Take care.
That was so funny when she said, feel better, get well soon, and so on. That was just great. So I wanted to show you how to use ChatGPT to practice present continuous or any other tenses. In my next video, I will also practice another tense with ChatGPT. If you have any questions or if you want me to practice specific topics with ChatGPT, write in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to practice your suggestions with ChatGPT. And if you want to see other videos, don't miss out anything, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care.